3, 2, 1, start. Ladies and gentlemen, change paragraph. It is a matter of great pleasure for me to be with you all and to inaugurate the Doordarshan relay station in this city this morning. Full stop. This station will enable 10 lakh people to view the Doordarshan programs. Full stop. On this occasion, I would like to mention that the Doordarshan network is spreading rapidly in every nook and corner of the country. Full stop. The recent launching of the Incent has made it possible to reach the programs to remote areas. Full stop. Under the ambitious plan of the government, television stations are coming up in the country wherever possible. Full stop. The programs have benefited the masses in a large measure in improving the lifestyle. Full stop. Under the rural development program, there are many useful programs which benefit the rural population. Full stop. Large number of programs on health, agriculture, adult education, etc. are being organized, and all these programs are bringing the rural people closer to the development programs. Full stop. In spite of the criticism made by some sections of the people, these programs proved of great benefit to the urban people also. Full stop. Educational programs relayed by certain centers are very useful to the students. Full stop. There are so relayed that they have not to engage teachers for tuition. Full stop. Change paragraph. Another important aspect is that programs on national and international sports news in Hindi, English, and other religions languages keep the people in touch with the national and international affairs. Full stop. In fact, an illiterate man is in a position precisely what is happening where with the help of the television. Full stop. Further, I am glad to note that special programs relayed on Sundays are also very informative and entertaining. Full stop. There is education through entertainment. Full stop. Particularly the interviews with artists and filmmakers clear up some of the misunderstandings our people may have about the film industry. Full stop. In short, television provides the easiest way for entertainment and knowledge. Full stop. It is therefore necessary that the functioning of the television should be made more informative and educative rather than exclusive entertaining. Full stop. People should be made aware of the present condition of the society and surroundings, thereby make them aware of their duties to participate in improvement and eradication, full stop. Keeping this objective in view, the present day programs have been so well organized to inculcate in the masses a sense of discipline, dignity of labor, and national unity. Full stop. However, it is very unfortunate that as far as the educational aspect is concerned, the television is not being utilized fully and it is being used purely for entertainment. Full stop. The benefit of television can be fully enjoyed only when we extensively use it for acquiring knowledge as well as entertainment. Full stop. Local stations will surely prove more beneficial in this direction as local programs can be more effectively organized by them. Full stop. Change paragraph. I would therefore like to ask the authorities to organize their programs in such a way that they must be able to provide entertainment and at the same time educate the common man in various aspects of his social life and thus to the development of country. Full stop. Now I have great pleasure in declaring the relay station open. Full stop. Before I conclude, I thank the authorities for giving me this opportunity. Full stop. Jai Hind. Full stop. Change paragraph. My dear Asa, I am in receipt of your letter of the 20th ultimo. I am glad that you have done well in your intermediate examination and hope to get through with distinctions. Full stop. In reply to your interesting question regarding the maximum speed required for getting a suitable employment with a fat pay, I would like to place a few points from a article which I have read on the subject. Full stop. Same paragraph. Some writers have written extremely fast. Full stop. Miss Emily Smith, the world renowned shorthand writer, wrote 420 words a minute in public on unseen material. Full stop. Of course, normally no such extremely high rates are required. Full stop. She analyzed after a careful study of the ability of human brain its perfection. She came to the conclusion that 300 words a minute is the most that the best shorthand writer can achieve. Full stop. But this speed cannot be written for longer duration since it all depends on the style of the language flow in the passage. Full stop. For an average speed writer, 200 words per minute is a pleasant speed. Full stop. As for minimum speed, if you wish to become a skilled writer, it should be not less than 140 words in minute. Full stop. This appears to be too high. Full stop. Change paragraph. But if you put best efforts, I am sure you will be able to find it easy of achievement. full stop, change paragraph. With best wishes, yours sincerely. Exercise over.